Welcome to this episode of the RubyPorch.com Real Estate Podcast, where we will be discussing the topic of sustainable real estate development in Miami. With the increasing global concern over climate change, there has been a growing demand for sustainable real estate development that promotes energy efficiency, reduces carbon emissions, and minimizes environmental impact. Miami is no exception to this trend, and in recent years, there has been a significant push towards sustainable real estate development in the city. In this episode, we will be exploring some of the innovations and best practices in sustainable real estate development in Miami. One of the key areas of sustainable real estate development in Miami is energy efficiency. With the city's warm climate, air conditioning can account for a significant portion of a building's energy usage. As a result, many developers are implementing innovative solutions to reduce energy consumption and promote energy efficiency. One example of this is the use of smart building systems, which can automatically adjust temperature, lighting, and other building systems to optimize energy efficiency. These systems use sensors and advanced algorithms to analyze building data and make real-time adjustments to improve energy efficiency. Another example is the use of energy-efficient building materials, such as insulated concrete forms and low-emissivity windows, which can reduce heat gain and loss and minimize the need for air conditioning. Water conservation is another important aspect of sustainable real estate development in Miami, given the city's proximity to the ocean and the potential for water shortages. Many developers are implementing innovative solutions to reduce water usage and promote conservation. One example of this is the use of rainwater harvesting systems, which collect rainwater and reuse it for irrigation and other non-potable uses. This can significantly reduce the amount of water used for landscaping and other outdoor purposes. Another example is the use of low-flow plumbing fixtures, which can reduce water usage for sinks, showers, and toilets. These fixtures use less water without sacrificing performance, and can save significant amounts of water over time. In addition to energy efficiency and water conservation, sustainable real estate development in Miami also focuses on reducing waste and minimizing environmental impact. This can include recycling programs, waste reduction initiatives, and sustainable transportation solutions. One example of this is the use of electric vehicle charging stations in parking garages, which can encourage the use of electric vehicles and reduce carbon emissions from transportation. Another example is the use of sustainable building materials, such as reclaimed wood and recycled steel, which can reduce the environmental impact of construction and promote sustainable forestry practices. Overall, sustainable real estate development in Miami is an important trend that is likely to continue in the years ahead. By implementing innovative solutions for energy efficiency, water conservation, and waste reduction, developers can create buildings that are not only environmentally friendly but also more cost-effective and attractive to tenants. At the same time, sustainable real estate development can also help to promote a more resilient and sustainable city, by reducing the environmental impact of development and promoting sustainable lifestyles. In conclusion, sustainable real estate development is a critical issue that requires the attention of developers, investors, and policymakers in Miami and around the world. By implementing best practices and innovative solutions, we can create a more sustainable future for our city and our planet. Thank you for listening to this episode of the RubyPorch.com Real Estate Podcast. For more information about this topic, be sure to check out our website, www.rubyporch.com, and subscribe to our podcast for future episodes.